Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Pilgrim. In one of the previous videos, we walked through the steps of installing Microsoft Teams on your PC. Today, we will dig deeper into its usage and features. So without further ado, let's begin. Microsoft Teams is a collaboration software which gives you the ability to have audio-video meetings, chats, and files all in one place, and that is a very powerful thing. If you don't have Teams yet, you can sign up for a free account using the sign up option. If you have an account, you can sign in to open a web version of Teams, or you can open your desktop version. I'm using the desktop app, and here is how the UI looks. Right now we are in Activities view. Here you will see all posts or chats that you are part of, and also if you or your team have been mentioned in any of the posts, it will appear in your activity feed. You can search and filter on this view to locate the data that you need. In activities, we can reply to a conversation or start a new conversation. We can use @mention to notify a single user or a group of users. As we can see here, the mentioned user gets a new notification in their activity feed and the Teams view. Now we will go to chat section. Here we can chat with our contacts. To start a chat, locate the contact and type in the message that you wish to send. You can apply any text formatting that you desire and then hit send to send the message. You have an option to include GIFs in your messages or emoticons. You can even send file attachments from your machine or cloud. In the top right corner, you have an option to share your screen with a chat group. You also get an option to add additional people to the chat. You can use audio video call buttons to create an instant meeting with the participants and have a conversation. Once in the call, you can click on Show Participants button to list the participants in the meeting. Next is Conversation button, which shows all the chats happening in the current meeting. If we click on the ellipses, we get to see a drop-down showing additional meeting controls such as dial pad, hold or transfer, which can be used for pausing a meeting or transferring it to another device such as phone. If you are having a video call, you can apply background effects to put an artificial background behind you. Most important option is start recording, which can be used to record the meeting. Next, we have a button to turn on video or switch it off. To the right, we have a mute button to mute ourselves if we are not currently speaking. Beside it, we have a share button which allows us to share our entire desktop, a particular window, or an open file. We click on Leave to exit the meeting. Next up, we go to the team section. Here we can either join an existing team or create a new team. Let us create a new team. We can create a team from scratch or model it after an existing team. We'll use from scratch option in this case. Next, we have to choose type of team. Here we'll choose public. We will call this team marketing. You can add a description if you wish. Great, we have created the new team. Let's add a member to it. Here it is, our brand new marketing team. Channels in the Teams section is a place to send messages to the entire group. We can also like a post or tag it with an emoticon. There is an option to reply to the post or create a new post through New Conversation button. Next, if we click on drop down beside the team name, we get an option to add a channel. We will add a new channel called Announcements. We have an option to get a URL for this team, make modifications to the team, delete it, or hide it. On the top, we have the Posts tab, which is the current tab we are in. Beside Posts, we have Files, which lists all the documents shared in this channel. We have a Wiki tab too, which can be utilized to create an informational page for the channel. On the bottom left side, we have invite people option through which we can send invites to people who should be added to the team. Up next, we go to the meetings section where we can see all our scheduled meetings for the day. We can schedule a new meeting by using schedule meeting option. This meetings view syncs all our meetings from the Outlook automatically. Next is the call section. Here we can make calls to our contacts if we have a phone system and a calling plan associated with our account. In the file section, you have a Teams view where you can see all files shared across all your teams. Downloads shows all files you have downloaded. OneDrive will list all files stored on your OneDrive cloud account. Then we have the apps section where you can find numerous apps that you can integrate with Microsoft Teams to get even more features. You have options like Microsoft Project, OneNote, and Trello. At the bottom left corner, there is an icon where you can click to download a mobile version of Teams, which can be very handy to attend meetings on the go. Next, we will see how to customize Teams app even further. You can change the status as needed, like away or available. Click on Settings to open Settings menu. We get an option to choose from 3 themes: default, dark, or high contrast. Down below, you'll find a few more tabs where you can manage your privacy settings or notifications. Next, we will click on Manage Org option. Here we can add or remove team members from our org. In the Settings tab, we can change privilege for team members to allow or deny them from inviting others. That's all for today. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Teams, please click on the video above. Please do subscribe to the channel if you found the content useful. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.